Welcome back, lovely people, to another SHEIN video. So in this video, I'm going to be giving us a code for discount on shoes and bags, okay? On the SHEIN app, search for this code 3A7AS. I'll also leave the code on the search bar, okay? If you're a new app user, you're going to be getting some discounts on top of the already discounted shoes and bags, okay, just as it's showing me. You just click on claim now and everything is going to be applied to your order. All right, now just scroll through the page and you're going to see that the shoes and bags here are already discounted. You can click on shoes and to show you just shoes. You can click on bags and luggage and you're going to get bags and luggages just shown to you. All right, let's pick one for an example. This one, the original price is €6.75 and you get a 17% off, being sold at 5.56. Let's choose something else. Let's choose this one. So this one, the original price is for 22.25 and it's being sold at 17 euros and 1 cent. Okay, that's a 23% off. They have so many wonderful and beautiful things here that are really discounted. Just take your time and scroll through the app, okay? Remember, if you want in on this discount, use the code that is visible on the screen right now and you're not going to miss out on this. I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss out on such discounts. Here for the shoes, they are really, really nice things. For this shoe right here, the original price is 25 euros and 25 cents, and you get to buy it for just 20 euros. Okay, that's a 20% off. So just take your time, use the code and search on the SHEIN app and make sure you're ready to actually pay because this code expires in 24 hours. All right, so make sure that when you search for this code, you're actually ready to pay and make sure that you've gotten your order ready to be shipped to you. Anyway, I just thought I should share this code for us out there because I know one or two people will definitely benefit from this. Thank you for watching to this point and see you in my next video. Bye.